next here in 1 second. Had another vape. God damn, I've been having a vape party, huh? All right, so put that back in here for now. And we're just about all set. We got to get this rocked out for people to start getting home. You know what I'm saying? I don't want that to happen. Complaining and stuff. What are you doing here? Yeah, I try not to do this. Here, I don't have a choice sometimes. I've only done this one time, like I said. It's because I can't. The other lady's got freaking grass. She lives out in the country. I got to lay on the ground. I'm not going to be doing that. So that's all solved. I think we got this guy. So, anyways, bring all this cool stuff in here. I'm done with this. We don't need this little pick. We'll set this over here for now. And we'll bring everything in. We'll wrap her up. So, let me show you the schematics inside real quick. And I call this a day. There's my other stuff in there, but we can leave that for now. I'll have my other. Here are my keys. I'll give that thing a toot-toot. A toot-toot. A toot-toot. All right, good. We're going to lock that guy up. We should be able to get this done fairly quickly, I believe. That wasn't too bad after all. If it works, though, I'll be at the store. So let's get it on inside, and we'll see what's happening, okay? Okay, I'll show you real quick what the wires are and what exactly they go to and what the colors are, too. So if you have this problem, it may actually help you. Hit that like and subscribe, too. This does, because I'll tell you what, I know somebody else has had this problem because it's been done before in this car. And there's a known issue and a technical service bulletin. That's out here. Okay? Cool. Alrighty. So, we'll go ahead and get these wires inside. I'm going to bring that right back out here in a few. I'm about to clean this kitchen up later. I'm going to get in big trouble by the girlfriend. So, regardless, these are my little wire makers. I'm going to make, like I said, there's only 7 of them. I'm going to make one with the 4, one with the 2, the butts, the terminal ends, and all this good stuff here. As you can see, this is for the camshaft position intake sensor control. That's number 1. That is the gray, black, black, green, yellow, purple. It's really yellow, violet. Like I said, this is the real schematics. I just kind of wrote it kind of half-assed. That's what they're going to look like when I'm done. This is it. So, violet, dark blue. Which one is going to be the broke one? It's going to be brown and brown, right? So it's going to be the 1, 2, 3. I can tell you by looking at it, actually, it's going to be which one? Let's see. So it's going to be this guy here. Broken wire is going to be... It was 2 breaks. Remember, this one came off a second ago when I was taking it in. Just literally came off in my hand. Hang on a second. I don't know what the tip is. Oh, here it is right here. I'm going to and this goes to this one clearly. This is pin number 1. This is actually the camshaft position. Now, this is the camshaft control, okay? That's why it was all out of control. Clearly that wasn't working. And then we also had a break on the brown one, which is further up the line, which is on here. That was right there. This runs up to the sensors, and this runs up the brown line to this guy, and that would have been pin number here, right next to the 2 violets. So we have yellow, gray. We have the yellow, purple, same thing. Purple, brown. Yes, this is going to be the blue oil pump, I think. 4, does that look like a 4th pin? No, it's got to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got to be pin number 6. Good, it's camshaft position. Low reference. It's a black brown wire. Yep, black brown, and it's a low reference. So anyway, I'm gonna get this done. And there's one little note cards here. I'm gonna get this all wired up, and I'll come back here and hopefully get this back together. Should go pretty well, I hope. And then we'll seal everything up with some of that Permatex sealant. Stuff's pretty kick-ass. Wrap everything real good. Maybe a little weather stripping, but yeah, for now, that's where we're at. Here's what we gotta do. So I'll be able to pretty much catch all the wires I needed. So I think I got just about everything. Yep, that's it. So somebody else butchered this. Butchered it. So I did the water pump, all spilled down in here and messed it up. And I've got to try to explain to the lady what's going on. So these are pretty cool ones. If you've ever seen anybody do one of these, you just build it. Stick the wires through. Stick little butts in them. Yeah, all that cool stuff. And these are the wires. They're about the same strange, right? Yeah, it's real damn close. So they should work good. Either way. All right, let me get moving here. Where this one goes. Let me get going. So I'm going. This is my little setup. So wish me luck. That's how you do this. can't get this connector. Actually, I can't get one end of it.